Hey guys, what's going on? So in the 3D printing world, there's a lot of reasons why you might want an object to be hollow instead of solid. So for instance, this is solid, and this one's hollow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this solid into this hollow. It's very simple, easy to do, so stay tuned. So for this, you're going to need two things. You're going to need your 3D printer, and you're going to need your computer. Other things you're going to need is obviously your file. So let's jump into the computer and see what we got to do. So let's go ahead and open up our 3D print file. This is the four-sided version of the pyramid I was talking about. So I'm using Cura. You can use whatever rendering software that you want and slicing software. But this is my slicing software I prefer. And for this video, I'm going to bump this up to 800 just to make it easier for y'all to see. And the first thing I got to do is I've got to come over here to my print settings. I'm going to change my wall thickness to 1.6, which is double the original, which was 0.8. Come to infill density and change that to 0. That will get rid of the hexagon. I'm going to keep everything else the same. You can change your speed in here. So like right here, print speed 40 millimeters per second. You could change it there or leave it the same depending on the printer you have, but for me I need to change it. But I'm going to change mine in my printer itself, so when I go to print I'll just change it to 80% speed. From there, all we're going to do is hit slice. It's going to tell us how long it's going to take. That's going to take 17 hours 50 minutes, and once I slow it down it's probably going to be closer to 20 hours, but that's okay because it's just going to run and run and run day in and day out. You could speed this up, you could slow this down. It just depends on what you want, and I'm not in a huge hurry and wanting a whole bunch of messed up prints, so I'm just going to go ahead and let it do its thing. But thanks for watching this part of the video. Alright guys, so now that you've edited the file, you've loaded it to the SD card, let's come over to this 3D printer and see what it looks like in real time. Okay, so right here we have another three-sided pyramid printing, and as you can see, the inside is hollow. Very simple, easy to do, and like I was saying, you can come over here and you can change your print speed on this one and most 3D printers from the screen itself. I like doing it this way instead of editing the file because on the fly I can increase the speed or decrease the speed. Unlike if I edited the file, it's a little bit harder to do accurately. So with that being said, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If it helped y'all out, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And as always, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by this time next year. We're only at 11,000, guys. I know I'm far away, but I've got hope. So go ahead, share this video, check out the other content. If you have any suggestions, I'm more than willing to check them out. And if you have any video suggestions of stuff you want to learn about 3D printing, robot vacuums, or anything else, just go ahead and let me know.